Poco F3 GT to arrive in Q3 single quote 21 with Dimensity 1200. Poco has just posted a video on YouTube, teasing the next F will be coming soon. The phone will be called Poco F3 GT, and according to the 28-second clip, will be powered by a Dimensity 1200 chipset. The arrival date is not set, but the low-resolution video says coming Q3, which is anywhere between July 1st and September 30th. Aside from the chipset, there's nothing else official from Poco. However, we already learned that this might be the Redmi K40 gaming under a new disguise. If this is indeed a gaming/performance smartphone, we expect it to have an AMOLED screen, a 64MP main camera and physical shoulder triggers on the right side. Currently, the Redmi K40 gaming is sold only in China, so we can't know how much the Poco F3 GT will cost, but we're assuming more than $350, that's about INR 25,000, which is currently the price of the Poco F3. For getting tuned for regular updates, subscribe to Techno Deep.